bigger, a bit taller. A new duvet. Cart is from CB2. I'm obsessed with them and it literally came in one day. Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, if you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So I'm coming from you from my new dining kitchen table. I have a little puppy sitting with me. He has to be on this seat when I'm sitting here. Stage 5 Klinger syndrome. I have a lot of apartment updates I want to share with you guys, and I have a lot I want to get done today. I made my list. Well, I started making my list, and I had my coffee, I had my breakfast. It's been a rough couple days. I ended up in the ER for some, you know, migraine things. It's like, whatever, but I had to take out all my jewelry, so my ears are looking bare. I'm feeling naked, and I can't get them back in but by myself. My tragus piercing, I need help. I like bought new earrings and I can't even put it back in, so I'm gonna be naked metaphorically in this video, but that's okay. We have a lot to get done today, a lot of apartment updates, and it's been, I want to say, like almost 2 weeks that we've been in our new place, and it still has felt like kind of a storage bin because we don't have everything in. We don't have a couch, we don't have, I didn't have organizers. We just kind of were like okay with, oh, we're still moving in, but we've been living here now and it's getting to the point where we need to make it a habitable place. So that's my job today. I'm in the apartment alone, and by the time Dan comes home tonight, I want to make this place shine like the top of the Chrysler building that I'm staring at right now. So that's my plan, and I want to bring you around. We've got some updates, and this place is a mess. I'm gonna organize. I got a huge Container Store order in. We got some Target order, Crate and Barrel. We got a new rug, we got some furniture. I gotta show you it all. So let me finish writing my list and then we'll hop on into it. Do you ever just write things on your list that you already did just to be able to check it off? I already fed Brooks, I'm gonna put a check. Feels good. All right, let me show you what I got from the Container Store. Say good morning, Brooks. Good morning, how are you? He won't eat his breakfast because there's no chicken in it. Who won't eat their breakfast? You. All right, let's open some of the things I got from the Container Store. First things first, I got this little tissue box. I have one from CB2 that's like black, but I wanted an acrylic one for the bedroom, keep it streamlined, and it's just like a little hinged tissue box. Then I got a bunch of these little dividers because I got some big slide out drawers. I already have the small shoe drawers in my bathroom and I love them, so I got some bigger ones, and then some like sweater boxes which are even bigger, and then I got these dividers to be able to use them a little bit more than just a big drawer. So this one is for the sweater, this one is for the big men's shoe drawer. Okay, then I got these little turntables, great for like kitchen things, or I have a bunch of hair products that are like too tall to put in a drawer, so I'm gonna put them in here. Here are the drawers that I already have. These are the small shoe boxes, so I got 2 more. They're great, they like slide out. Here's another one. Okay, here are the larger ones. I got a set of 4, and they're just bigger than those small ones. I'll open these up. So these are just a bit bigger, a bit taller. Great for storage. And here are the sweaters, so even bigger. Let me show you the difference. I need my box cutter, but I can't find it, so I use scissors and I hurt myself. The show must go on. So these are even bigger, because you're supposed to be able to put sweaters in them. Cute. And I got a pack of 2. I already opened them because I couldn't wait, but I got a bunch of labels from the Home Edit, like I designed plus the Home Edit their signature labels, and it comes in like a pack of like a little pre-made pack. So I got the closet labels, the bathroom and laundry, and then the storage and cleaning. This one, like, okay, this one says light bulbs, manuals, miscellaneous, pet, seasonal, travel, utility, holiday, things like that. So these are gonna be great. That was the Container Store. All right, now let's do the Target order. I got another little turntable. I wanted to try the Target one. I will say this one is all busted and obviously not as nice, but it's a little bit smaller, so that could be nice for the kitchen. Got some little mini, like for the bathroom, trash bags. Finally. Oh my god, this is all messed up. Oh my god, it came broken. Oh, so annoying. We've needed a utensil drawer for so long. We just have them like sitting in the thing, but this is broken, so that's not gonna work. Fail. We also ordered a new duvet. This is Brooks's little, this is the toy he came with. As a baby, we call it Mr. Mouse. It's like so ugly that it's cute. Anyway, so we bought the Brooklinen comforter duvet, and we are really hot sleepers, so we thought we wanted like the super cooling one. It's like supposed to be very cooling, but it's literally as thin as a sheet. We like put it on the bed. I think he taped it back up. Oh no, but it's as thin as a sheet. It is so thin, it's like not even a comforter. So we are going to send it back and get, I think, the All Seasons one. Tried that out. I also am sending back these food glass jars because these ones are just too small. They're so thin, like they're just not even worth it. I'm gonna get some bigger ones. I already have some working up here that I'll show you, but these ones are just too small, so I'm gonna send these back. We also bought TV mounts to mount this TV here and one in the bedroom, and we got the mounts that we used in our last place, which worked great. It's called the articulating wall mount. I'll link it down below because it is great. Worked for us, and it's so cheap and great. How many times am I gonna say great? But I think here we have metal wall studs, so this isn't gonna work. We're gonna need to figure something else out, so we have to send these back. So we got 2 of those. So this is our little return pile. I don't know if I've even showed you guys, but we got a new rug. I love this rug. It's from Rugs USA. A lot of people have it. It's the Maui jute rug in off-white, and I wanted a rug that isn't like, I really wanted like a fluffy white cozy rug in the living room. However, there's such like high traffic here, and if we have people over, stuff like that, like it's just, these rugs get ruined, especially with the dog. So I ended up getting this one, which is like less comfortable, but it's still really comfortable, but it's like such a great living room rug. So I'll link it down below. Comes in a bunch of sizes. Rugs USA is so great. I'm obsessed with them, and it literally came in one day. Like I didn't even get time to get a rug pad, so I bought one on Amazon, and hopefully that's coming today. But this is the new rug. Brooks has already claimed it to be his own, as he does everything in this apartment, like this seat. These are our new chairs. Still vacuuming. This isn't in its final home, and neither is the bar, but I did set up our little bar cart. Our bar cart is from CB2, and then we just have, you know, all the necessities and some like more fun things up here. Yeah, so that's the bar cart. That's my dog, and this is our new rug we love. I will link it, you need it. All right, threw in some laundry, and now I'm gonna get started on this bad boy. So we bought this organizer from IKEA. I think it's called the Kallax or something. I'll try to link it, but we have like a hanging bar, and it goes to this closet as well, and we didn't need that much hanging space. I wanted more like drawer space. So I bought a bunch of organizers. As you can see, it's a freaking mess because I haven't put things away yet. But that's why I got a bunch of those bins from the Container Store. I'm gonna try to make like a backstock bin. All these types of things. These are from Target. Wow, the fake tan on my hand is dodgy. Yeah, so I'm gonna start working on this. Hopefully fix it up. Ooh, hello. Hello. Oh, saying goodbye. All right, just unboxed our new knives. Wow, they look so, oh my God, look at them in the light with the, yeah. They're so pretty. I love the white, I'm obsessed with this. These are the knives. Wüsthof, best knives. 17 slot. Oh no, that's just the block. This is the block that we got. We got them from Crate & Barrel though. I'll link them down below. I'm so excited. I feel like getting new fun kitchen stuff makes you so excited to like cook again.
How do you feel about the vibe?
Yeah, the vibe right now with my Smeg, my honey pot. I'm loving this whole shindig. Also, these scissors are the, this is the gem. This is the gem of the pot. This thing is great. What can I use these for?